What's up, Snaz fam? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. Now, we don't have any time for chit chat right now because today I'm gonna become a man. A real truck man. Let's go. Hello, my lovely ladies. I'd love to stay and chat, but we got no time. Gotta go. Let's hear that wimple. Let's go. Ah, instant power. I love it. Also, while we're hustling and waiting for the train to go by, I want to remind everyone, if you've not gotten your Aura ring yet, make sure you order it. You got to hit the link below. I mentioned it a couple videos ago because I simply love this ring. I use it every day. I wear it all the time. It's a very simple, like, smart device. It'll do things like count your steps. Yes, this little device counts your steps so you can know how you're doing if you're being active enough. It's super simple to order, super simple to figure out what size you are. They have a bunch of different styles as well that look good, look awesome. You can match it with anything. Also, it tells you how you're sleeping in the app, which is a super simple app, and it will tell you, hey, you did not sleep well last night. This is what happened, and this is what you need to do to get better sleep. And then you can have a better, more productive day. So make sure you hit the link below, check out Aura rings, get one for yourself. They are straight legit. I'm wearing it all the time. As you can see, I started wearing it all the time ever since I got one. Now, on to other things. We are here at Tron Auto Lab, and we're gonna get some things done on the Raptor. All right, so we got the Raptor lifted up already. Preston's over there removing the wheels already. But first, we've got the C8 KPMF vinyl matte dynamic lime. Is that right? This thing is crazy. Check out the interior. This thing is pristine, gorgeous. Wow, what a cool ride. To confirm, I was just told by the guys here, he's a pretty cool dude, so respect. Now I want to know, we had 17-inch stock wheels and 37s on this beast, and guess what? We are upgrading. That's right, not just the tires, but the wheels. That's why I say I'm becoming a real truck man, because I feel like to be a real truck man, you got to put wheels on your truck. That's what everyone does. I'm finally doing it a year later. I have 37-inch tires. I got 38s. Obviously, going from 37 to 38 is not like super crazy, but we are worried about the rubbing. Also, these have a lot more tread than my 37, so it's really like I'm going from 35s to 38s. These are the old plastic dip wheels. Again, Trace and Spencer, thanks so much for the work. You guys crushed it. Here we go. Vision wheels 18 white. All right, we got the 38 Beef Boy here. Show us the magic. I thought you like put some gas in there, got a fire torch, and like threw a match at it.
That's the way that we don't show.
Okay.
Just in case.
Next time on camera, we're gonna do the fire torch.
Okay.
All right, wheels are on. We gotta bounce out. But remember last video we talked about wrapping the Viper, and you know there's a lot of colors here. There's purple, mandatory, but we're not doing purple. What about highlight orange, highlight yellow? I don't know, blue, gray, subtle. What do you think? Preston, thanks, man.
Thank you.
Peace. We're gonna give you the full reveal when we get to the house, but I can say the stance, the aggressiveness, everything about this is better. And I might be able to have clean white wheels more often because the powder coat is better than Plasti Dip. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Now, I gotta mention something, bit of a disclaimer. We got bigger wheels, 17 to 18, and bigger tires, 37 to 38s. And we figured there might be some rubbing, and there is, but it's okay. It's temporarily okay. It's actually quite annoying. I cannot make a full turn, but it's okay because we are doing other mods. Oh, there it is. Oh, gonna hit the curb. Don't curb the new wheels. Oh, barely made it. Maybe it's because I bent the front left bumper. Maybe that's why, I don't know. You know that moment when you're excited about new wheels and then you see a truck with bigger, fancier wheels? Yeah. We gotta cut the bumper. Now, I would take off the bumper. It's actually not hard. I watched a YouTube video on how to do that, but I'm not gonna sell. It's kind of, the front bumper, it's going away. Sorry. You can obviously see how close this is already, and then when I turn the wheel, I can't turn right or left. This has gotta go. Okay, whoa, sorry. The battery is effectively shot. Fortunately, I got great neighbors. They got a Sawzall. This is also their blade I'm borrowing. We got 20 volts. Thanks, Clayton. Ooh. If you're like me, inept, incapable, a failure at so many things, it's good to surround yourself with people that are the opposite of that, aka Clayton hooking me up, 20 volts, guiding me through this. This would have taken me like 5 hours, seriously. I want the records to show that took literally less than 5 minutes. Because of this guy, it would have taken me 5 hours, for real. Amazing. All right, Clayton, two things. One, you're gonna be the test mule. You gotta see if I can turn right and left, because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Two, if it works, you're gonna borrow her for a day.
Deal.
Once I finish the rest of the mods.
Deal.
Okay. Check out the stance though. Like, I didn't want to go super crazy like you can with Raptors, but I definitely want to bring out those wheels a little bit more. Oh, we're rubbing. We're rubbing. Where are we? Oh, we're rubbing in the back. Okay, so we got some back rub here. We're all clear in the front though. We're clear here. Cranking the, yeah. They told me 38s might be too big. So the guys at Tron, they warned me. I said, no, we're going 38s, baby. The Raptor can handle it. My arrogance has put me in a predicament because I can't drive the Raptor like that to work. I can't even get out of my driveway. Look at the sunset. Okay, I need a second to think about the gaffe I just had with the Raptor and the wheels. While we do that, remember how someone did a hit and run on the Subaru and we were a little frustrated because it's annoying? Well, someone had taken a picture of the license plate of the car that did the hit and run. We went to the police department and they contacted that person, and lo and behold, the person that answered the phone said, hey, I've been expecting your call because the adult knew something happened to their car. The younger person that had done the damage got scared, didn't know what to do, and they drove off. And so the adult with the child came down, they took care of everything. It's all good, and it just sounds like a really good life lesson for that younger person. We've all done things. I've driven a truck into a fence when I was under the age of 16, so we've all had our moments. Surprise visit, what? What are you, hey.
Hey, my friend.
You're not allowed in this neighborhood anymore.
I had a vibe that you're filming. I just have something to say.
You're not allowed in this neighborhood anymore. Remember what Rollins said?
Oh.
That guy with the 14 GT500?
What did I do? Did you blame something on me?
Those donuts you did in the circle?
Oh, crap.
That I did?
That
I told
did?
him it was you.
You told him it was
yeah.
me?
It was me, Rollin. I'm sorry. If you guys... Okay. Babies are sleeping. Babies are sleeping. If you guys remember, we actually installed that exhaust on his GT500 last fall, I think, and it sounds amazing. Well, I don't know what to say, but the Raptor is now officially undrivable. I can't even turn enough to get out of my driveway. Wheels are one of those things that like have always been complicated in my mind. It's just like I can't comprehend the whole thing, offsets, negatives, positives, side. It's not my cup of tea. Anyways, the guys at Tron said, hey, you need a -18 offset, which was perfect. That was exactly the look I was looking for with that, bringing those tires out a little bit. They said, hey, the 38s, they're probably gonna be too big. And I said, no, I don't care. I had 37s, I wanna go bigger. We're gonna go 38s. And we did. That one's on me. They recommended not to, I did, and now I can't drive it. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that sad news, but next we have some major news on the Shelby again. Big update on the Viper coming soon. Smart car is still beautiful. It's my go-to daily now. So I wish you all the best of luck. Make sure you go crush it. Peace.